Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll focus on how to fix the Bosch washing machine error code F34. But first, what does error code F34 mean? A display of error F34 on your washer's interface indicates that the door to the drum isn't locked properly. This error code may sometimes be replaced by codes E16 or F16 for the same fault. The following are some of the common causes of this error: applying insufficient force while closing the door latch, or jammed items preventing the door from closing. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the error. Closing the door properly. Since the error primarily emanates from improperly shutting the appliance door, doing so correctly will clear the error. To do so, open the door and check for any jammed items preventing it from closing correctly. Focus more on the latch while checking for jammed items. Reduce the load in the drum if they also may be contributing to the door not closing properly. Apply sufficient force to close the door latch and restart the wash program to see if the code clears. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.